Hi, I am Alfredo Baula Jr. I am second year medical student and I am going to read the Japanese story entitled Boku no Naikike. And I will first read it in Hongo, then in English. Kino no yoro wa osokamade shigoto o shimashita. Totemo sokorimashita. Last night, I worked late into the night. I was very tired. Shigoto no ato densha de kairimashita. After work, I returned home by train. Ino chikako no ekide densha orimashita. Soto wa amideshita ga. Watashi wa kasa ga arimasen deshita. Totemo komarimashita. I got off the train at the station near my house. It was raining outside, but I didn't have an umbrella. I was in quite a pickle. Ikeno no hita ga watashi o mite. Ano wa kono naka no kasa o tsukate kudasai to imashita. Hakono no naka ni wakasa ga sanbon arimashita. A person at the station saw me and said, "Please use one of the umbrellas in that box over there." Inside the box, there were three umbrellas. Watashi wa in desu ka to kikimashita. I asked, is that okay? Eke no hita wa ari wa mina no kasa desu. Okani wa irimasen ashita. Ano hako ni kaishita kudasai to imashita. The person at the station said, "Those are community umbrellas. No money is needed. Please return it to the box tomorrow." Watashi wa wakarimashita. Arigato gozaimasu. To ite kasa o dekarete kairimashita. I said, "Okay, thank you very much," and borrowed an umbrella to return home.